Welcome to our in-depth analysis of Forex Steam, a powerful and reliable Forex trading robot. Designed for the MetaTrader 4 platform, Forex Steam has been in the market for over a decade, helping investors automate their trading strategies. It's well regarded for its consistency, profitability, and adaptability. This software caters to both new and experienced traders, offering a range of features to enhance trading outcomes and reduce risk. Forex Steam boasts several key features. It provides a unique time-restricted strategy that allows trades during specific market hours to maximize profits. The software also includes advanced holiday filters to avoid unpredictable market days. There's a money management feature that helps control risk, and a trailing stop-loss function to secure profits. Its light version allows for customization and backtesting to align with your trading preferences. The pricing for Forex Steam is straightforward. For a one-time payment of 117 you get full access to the software, lifetime membership, free upgrades, and dedicated customer support. This also includes 4 licenses that can be used or replaced at any time, providing flexibility for those who want to use the software on multiple trading accounts or platforms. Forex Steam suits a variety of use cases. It's ideal for beginner traders looking to understand Forex markets without risking large amounts of capital. For experienced traders, it offers the opportunity to diversify strategies and automate trading. It's also useful for those wanting to trade in specific market hours or during certain market conditions. Additionally, it's a great tool for testing and optimizing strategies before implementing them on larger portfolios. Forex Steam has several advantages. It's highly customizable and user-friendly, making it accessible to traders of all skill levels. The time-restricted strategy helps maximize profits while the advanced holiday filters prevent trading on volatile days. The software also provides regular updates, ensuring it stays aligned with current market conditions. Plus, the one-time payment includes lifetime support and updates, offering great value for money. However, Forex Steam also has some limitations. It's only compatible with the MetaTrader 4 platform, which may be a disadvantage for traders using other platforms. While it has a high success rate, it's not immune to losses, particularly in highly volatile markets. Also, some users may find the initial setup and customization process a bit complex, especially if they're new to automated trading. Key takeaways. Forex Steam is a robust and versatile trading robot with a proven track record. It's user-friendly, customizable, and comes with innovative features like time-restricted trading and holiday filters. While there are some limitations, such as platform compatibility and potential losses in volatile markets, the benefits largely outweigh these drawbacks. Overall, it's a reliable tool for automating and optimizing Forex trading strategies. Thank you for watching this analysis video on Forex Steam. We hope it provided valuable insights into this trading software. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Happy trading!